President, Chief Executive of Republic of Philippines, Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr., Chief of Staff of AFP, General Romeo S. Browner Jr., Secretary of DENDI, Gilberto C. Chidoro Jr., Commander Brescom, Major General Romulo A. Manuel Jr., Commander 7RODG, Colonel Mundo Banyares, 702 CDC Director, Major Larry A. Indoso, Commandant, Colonel Lemuel Paredes, Assistant Commandant, Second Lieutenant Eduardo L. Admin NCO, SSG Renante C. Latosa, NSTP Coordinator, John Mar Aberg Cruzado, Vice President, Dr. Anthony M. Pinaso, Campus Director, Dr. Jenny Nebria, Training Staff Vice Master Sergeant Vicente C. Tanyesa, Master Sergeant Marcos Castro, Sergeant Antonio Miro, Sergeant Armel Bukin, Sergeant Roseller James Eliodar, Corps of Basilian, RTCU, Corps Commander, Cadet Colonel Aaron Vincent Odopar, First Class, XO Adjutant, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Raymond B. Lumaad, First Class, Staff 1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Quinimi Langami, First Class, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Jonas B. Numeral, First Class, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel John Vincent Semblante, First Class, Staff 4, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Godfred P. Agon, First Class, Staff 7, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Arnel I. Casanova, First Class, Alpha Company, Company Commander, Cadet Major Kenneth Lasea, Second Class, XO, Cadet Major Adrian L. Limo, Second Class, Gidon Beer, Cadet Second Lieutenant Christian Gomez, Third Class, Bravo Company, Company Commander, Cadet XO Cadet, Bravo Company, Company Commander, Cadet Major Kent Lowell Idago, Second Class, XO Cadet Major Earl Patrick A. Clarinan, Second Class, Gidon Beer, Cadet Second Lieutenant Jorix Peligro, Third Class,